So, how can a seller take advantage of using the seller credit to attract better offers? Hey, welcome back to my podcast. My name is Shawn, the realtor guy from Portland, Oregon. This realtor article says that in 2024, there were only about 24% of the sellers gave the concessions to the home buyers. But in 2023, they were about 33%. Now, this talks about how there's a young, sort of like a late 20s to early 30-year-old home buyers looking to buy in Salt Lake City. And this one article that says pretty much most of those home buyers, they saved the down payment, but they haven't saved the closing costs. So for example, in the Portland, Oregon market, if it's like $500,000, closing costs can range anywhere between about $10,000 to about $15,000. So these home buyers save like 3%, 5%, maybe 10%, but they haven't saved that, $15,000. So they're kind of waiting. So you as a home seller, if you were to offer that in the advertisement, those home buyers who are on the fence, those home buyers who are waiting another year to save the $15,000, actually now they're ready to buy because the closing cost assistance is coming from you, the seller. So in my opinion, it's just one more way to increase that size of the buyer pool to give the seller credit. I actually ran a number on the earlier video. I'm not going to go through all the boring numbers, but to give you the summary of that, the median home price of $543,000 in Portland, Oregon, if you were to give, let's say, $28,500 seller credit to buy down the home buyer's rate, that home buyer saves about $465 every month in their mortgage payment. So let's say you have a house that is listed at $543,000, but you're not getting any offers, and you're about to take it off the market. What can you do? I mean, you can just take it off the market and give me a call so I can list it and sell it for you. But the other thing that you can do is just offer some credit. I'm not saying $28,000 credit, but even $10,000 credit, it can change the game for many home buyers. The other way to look at it is, if you wanted to sell it a certain amount, maybe add like $10,000, $20,000 on top of that fair market value, and just advertise that you're going to give $10,000 or $20,000 in seller credit towards the buyer's rate buy down. Because the toughest challenge right now for the buyers is the high interest rate. If you as a seller eliminate that or lower that, that's like the win-win situation. I feel like I keep making the same video, but I'm doing that because I think that's the key point of 2025 real estate market. If you as a seller, you did that, you're going to attract so many more home buyers, and there's a higher chance that you actually get more offers. When you get more offers, when you have more buyers coming to your house, you get more offers, you get better offers. If there's a multiple offer situation, you actually make more money. So that's the marketing strategy that I would recommend in the current market. Instead of just pricing it too low, maybe leaving money on the table, no matter how rushed you are to sell that property, just price it just right and offer some of the seller credits. I feel like I'm just beating the dead horse here. So I hope that makes sense. If you have any questions about Portland, Oregon market, house selling, give me a call and I'll share with you your home value. There's no fees associated with it. And I'll share with you what kind of tactics can actually attract more buyers. That's what it's about, home selling. It's not rocket science, but that's the marketing and then the negotiation portion that I can bring to the table. So anyways, thanks so much for watching, and hit the like button and subscribe if you have not, and I'll see you in the next video.